Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we're heading out to do another little thrifting vlog, and here's our stop, the Village Discount. It's actually been a couple weeks since I've been here, so hopefully they have their winter rotation stuff out. Definitely grabbing a basket today. And I will check out the hard goods later, but today I really want to focus on the clothing. I realized I'm pretty low on winter clothing somehow. And last time I was in here, they were starting to swap everything out over to the long sleeves and stuff. And yeah, it looks like they got a bunch of that stuff out. There's flannels, jackets, lightweight coats, vests. Okay, they got a ton of stuff out, ton of winter stuff. Good. And check it out right over here in the flannels. Got our first score of the store, little Topo Designs flannel. That is a nice one too. It's a nice heavyweight one. On the low end, these go for like 25 bucks. But since this one is a nice pattern and it's got the weight to it, it's more like a $35, $40 piece. And we're only paying $6.99. Great little score in the basket. And then check this out, right above the flannels here. Got a little vest, this little estate cashmere. Always say to look out for it. It's only $8.99 today, and it's brand new with the tags. Without the tags, I mean, I get like 25 bucks for these. So with the tags, that's definitely a grab. One thing to note though, if you are going to pick up cashmere pieces, make sure you're looking them over very thoroughly because they are prone to getting little pinholes in them, and it's very easy to overlook that. It does look like they pulled some of the better flannels over here. Look at these 3 Pendletons, $32.99, $32.59, and $30.59. That's unfortunate. Pendleton's a great brand. Tax on them though. Another thing this store tends to price up a lot is the jackets. You can see this whole back wall right here. It's all jackets right here, and it just never seems to clear out. And that's just because they are priced so dang high. I think the cheapest ones are like 17 bucks or something like that. Like, look at that, 30. $20.99. Well, that one's $8.99. That might be the cheapest one I've ever seen. But at this thrift store, it's kind of expected to pay a little bit higher prices because this is a for-profit thrift store, meaning, you know, they buy pallets of clothing and pallets of hard goods and stuff in order to try to make a profit. So not everything here is donated. A lot of this is just resellable goods. I am a bit disappointed I missed the initial changeover for all this winter clothing and stuff at this store. Usually when they're first putting this stuff out is the best time to find stuff. Unfortunately though, over the last couple weeks I've been stuck at home. If you follow me on Instagram, you know my cat got diagnosed with cancer, so I've been kind of stuck there with her because she had to have a very extensive surgery. She's doing fine now though. I'll pop a picture up for you guys of her in her surgery suit. But because of that, I've been kind of stuck at home and missed the changeover for this stuff. Little unfortunate, but what can you do? Oh, check that out. Look at that. Little Harry Potter Wizarding World cardigan. It's a Slytherin, and I think I saw a tag. Yeah, brand new with tags. Harry Potter Slytherin cardigan, $6.99. That's got to be at least 20 bucks brand new. It keeps falling off this hanger, god dang it. Okay, here's something I don't pick up super often, but this one's brand new with tags. This is a Banana Republic Italian merino wool sweater. It's $8.99. Not necessarily a brand I look out for, but it is still a relatively popular brand, and it's new with tags. Since it's only 9 bucks today, I think I'm gonna grab it. Okay, just found a really good one right here. It's a rare brand, don't find it often, but Relwyn, great brand to look for. It's only $3.99 today. I've never sold one of these like snap button sweaters before, but I've sold some of their normal long sleeve shirts for some very good money. So I'm sure that's probably like a 50, maybe even more than that, maybe even more than 50 bucks on that guy. What an awesome score right there. That is a great brand to keep your eye out for. Relwyn, remember it. Up and not much further down, got another one here, Vineyard Vines with cashmere, $6.59. I don't pick up a ton of Vineyard Vines anymore, but if it's cashmere, I'm grabbing it. Look at this, they got all the Christmas stuff out over here. What are they asking on Christmas trees? $55, $59, $50.79, so like 50 bucks a pop. That gold one's kind of cool. Should I check out the shoes real fast? I normally don't like to do a lot of shoes. They're just not one of my favorite things to sell. I find them kind of annoying to clean and ship and photograph. I just don't like them very much. But they do sell well, so if I see something that I think's worth it, I will grab it. Oh, kind of like these. Look at that. There's some Olakais down there. That's a good brand. These are those like mesh shoes. How much are they? $5.99. Yeah, that's gonna be worth it. These are like 30, 40 bucks. So some Hokas here. Oh, those are kind of beat up. Oh, and then I spot another tag down here. Look at that. There's some Red Wings. These are the 2241s. Composite or steel toe. I think it's composite toe. Not in too bad of a shape. Little wear to them. bottoms look real good though. $13.50. Yeah, definitely grabbing those. Those could be like $100 boots. My basket's already starting to get full. We really need bigger carts here. I don't feel like carrying around 2 though, so I might go down like 1 more aisle and then check out the hard goods. Yeah, let's go ahead and check out the hard goods. Yo, and then check it out over here in the electronics for $6.99. I got a Cytec X52 flight control system. It's like, you know, the controller for like a flight simulator. I just looked this up and it looks like they're going for between 75 and 100 bucks. So for $6.99, that's definitely a grab. Can I get that ink right there in the corner?
Which one?
The green box hanging on the...
This one?
Yep. Thank you.
You.
All right, some HP ink, $9.34, $9.35, $5. That's at least 25. Oh, look at that. There's another box right there. It's the same exact one I got in the cart. 934 XL, 934 XL. That one's priced at $3.99, I think. You can get this ink right here in the corner. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And then, excuse me.
Yes.
Can I get the Nightmare Before Christmas dolls right there? Jack and Sally. And what's that right next to it?
Cute.
Yeah, they are.
I got this one too. And they're candles.
Those are candles?
I guess. I just read whatever was there. Oh,
Hey, there's something right next to it too.
Oops, sorry.
Sally and Jack, I'm definitely
the
grabbing.
little punks.
Oh.
The little, I don't know, the troublemakers?
Yeah,
I don't know the name of them. I know they
it's
have
like
a name.
Lock, Barrel, and
Yeah.
something else. I forget the third one's name is.
It's cute, right?
Yeah, it is. I think I'll grab these 3. These are candles?
I don't know. Let's open it. Oops.
Let me just cut open that tape on the side.
Let me just get a knife. That was a bad idea.
It's okay.
You're like, I
It's
don't
gotta
want it
come
anymore.
off somehow, right?
Yeah, you're like, I don't want that no more.
Oh, those are so
my
cool.
God, they're cute. Oopsie. See,
It's
I
okay.
gotta stop.
It's okay. It's okay.
I gotta stop.
What's the price on these guys?
I don't know.
What was that? $6.59. I'll grab
cute.
those 2. I'm gonna grab all that.
Damn, I'm sorry
Awesome.
for
That's
ruining
it's okay.
your-
It's okay. I just want the candles inside, so that's
cute.
okay.
And the coffin is kind of cute.
Yeah, it is. I like those a lot. Cool. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
All right, there we go. Got 2 giant bags there filled with goodies, toys, clothing, shoes. That was a pretty good stop for the short time that we were in there. Unfortunately, I ran out of room in my cart. I actually had to carry the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff over to the cash register, but not a bad stop at all. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little thrifting vlog. If you did, please go down low, like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Till next time, keep on treasure hunting. Peace.
Woo!